Good morning, children. I hope you have revised your yesterday's session. So now we continue with page number 2 in your textbook. Comparing the numbers. Yesterday we studied about comparing the numbers, finding out the greatest and smallest digit. Okay, so now on page number 2, on the lower left hand side, try these, you can see. Find the greatest and smallest digit. In that you have to complete question number A and C. Homework is A and C. I will do B and D. Okay, try these. Page 2. 15623 15073 15189 and 15800. You have to find out the greatest number and the smallest number. So what did I tell you yesterday? What is the first step? The first step is you have to count the number of digits first. Fine. So you count the number of digits. So each number has got how many digits? 5 digits. Okay. So when the number of digits are same, you go ahead with the second step. That is, you compare the first digit of each number. Let us start comparing. 1, all 4 digits, all 4 numbers have got 1 digit. Then second, all are 5. Third, 6, 0, 1, 8. Okay, so here we have got the difference. 6, 0, 1 and 8. So from all the 4 digits, which is the smallest? 0. So the smallest number is 15073 and greatest number is 15800. Understood? Okay. Now see the next one, that is the D. 6895. 6895. Then 23787. 23787. 24569. 24569 and 24659. 24659. Now we have to decide which is the smallest and which is the greatest. So again we go ahead with the first step of counting the digits. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits, and here the remaining 3 numbers are 5 digited, right? So obviously the digit, the number which has got 4 digit is smaller, right? So the smallest is 6895. Now to find out the greatest digit, all 3 are 5 digited. So we start comparing the first digit. So 2, 2, 2, all are same. 3, 4, 4. Right? Now this is smaller number. And this here both the digits are 4, but we need to find out the greatest number. So we need to forget this number. Right? Now from these two we have to decide which is the bigger number. Right? So now move on to the third digit, that is 5 and 6. So here we have got the difference. Okay? So 5 and 6, which is the greater number? 6. So which will be the greatest number? 2, 4, 6, 5 and 9. Understood? Okay? Fine. Now on page number 3. How many numbers can you make? So is this topic clear of comparing? Okay. Now the next topic is how many numbers can you make? How many numbers can you make? Now what is the meaning of how many numbers can you make? When any number of digits are given to you, okay, how many digits are given to you? 4. 4, 2, 1 and 7. So how many numbers can you make? So to find out or to make the greatest number and to make the smallest number. Okay. Now, how many numbers can you make? In that, the first step is how do you make the greatest number from the 4 digits which are given to you without repetition. What is the meaning of without repetition? Means you cannot repeat any number. I cannot take 1 2 times or 7 2 times. Right? So when I am told that which is the greatest number without repetition, what you have to do is you have to arrange these digits in descending order. That is 7, 4, 2, 1. Descending order means big to small. So 7421 is the greatest number, greatest 4-digit number which is formed from the given digits. Similarly, if you have to find out the smallest number, you have to arrange the given digits in, can anybody tell me? If in greatest you have to arrange in descending order, then for smallest you have to arrange in, yes, you have to arrange in ascending order. That is 1, 2, 4, 7. The reverse of this. Reverse of the greatest number. Understood? So this is to be done when you are told to make the digits, to make the number without repetition. Understood? Okay. So you can see on page number 3. On page number 3, try these. Page number 3, try these. Question number 1. Two, 8, 7 and 4. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest. Okay. So, what will be the greatest number? 8, 7, 4, 2. And which will be the smallest number? The reverse of this. 2, 4, 7, 8. Understood? Similarly, let us see the next one. 9, 7, 4, 1. 9, 7, 4, 1. So, which will be the greatest number? 9, 7, 4, 1. It is already arranged in descending order. And the smallest number? 1, 4, 7, 9. Okay. So, what you have to remember here? That when you have to arrange, when you have to find out the greatest number, you have to arrange the digits in descending order, and it is totally the opposite. When you have to make the smallest number, you have to arrange the the digits in ascending order. Understood? Okay, so remaining one you can do for homework, C and D. You do it by yourself. Now see the question number 2. Now make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number by using any one digit twice. You are now, this question is having a difference. Now you have to make a number, greatest and smallest, and you are allowed to repeat only one digit. Fine. So now you can see here. First is 3, 8 and 7. Okay. 3 digits are given and you have to make a 4-digit number. Okay, 3 digits are given and from these 3 digits you have to make a 4-digit number. So obviously you have to repeat one number, right? Okay, so which number do you have to repeat? So how will we decide whether we can repeat 3, 8 or 7? Okay, so when you have to make the greatest number and when you are told that you can repeat any one number, then to make the greatest number, you have to repeat the greatest digit. So 8, 8, 7 and 3. Okay? And thus for making the smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest digit. Which is the smallest digit? 3. So 3, 3, 7, 8. The basic is going with this number, right? The basic, what is the basic? That for making the greatest, you have to arrange in descending order, and for making the smallest, you have to arrange in ascending order. The basic is going along with it, but from a 3-digit number, how can you make a 4-digit number? You have to repeat one number. Which number will you repeat? Then you have to keep in mind that for the greatest, you have to repeat the greatest digit, and for making the smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest digit. Understood? Let us see the second one. B. 9, 0, 5. 9, 0 and 5. Then can you tell me how will I make the greatest digit from this 905? Okay, fine. I have to repeat the greatest number, and along with repetition, I have to keep in mind that I have to arrange the digits in descending order, right? So 9. So 9, 9, 5, 0. Okay? And for making the smallest digit, I have to repeat 0. So 0, 0, 5, 9. Understood? Okay. So C and D, you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Okay. Now you cancel question number 3. Now see question number 4. Take 2 digits, say 2 and 3. Make 4-digit number using both the digits equal number of time. Now we have 4 digits, 2 and 3. Suppose if I take 2 and 3, it is given. You have to take 2 and 3. And now from these 2 numbers, you have to make a 4-digit number, right? And you have to repeat. So which will be the greatest number? 3, 3, 2, 2, right? And which will be the smallest number? 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, fine. How many different numbers can you make in all? How many different numbers you can make in all? So these are 2, and then when you rearrange 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. Okay? So similarly, when you can make 6 different numbers. Understood? Okay? Fine. Now, ascending and descending order. You very well know what is ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, means small to big. And descending order means you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So you can see on page number 5. On page number 5, arrange the numbers in ascending order and arrange the numbers in descending order, right? Okay, so that I will do one for you in each. 8, 8, 4, 7, 9, 7, 5, 4, 8, 3, 2, 0 and 5, 7, 1. Arranging in ascending order means I have to arrange from small to big. So what will be the answer? So first I have to count the number of digits. So here 3, 4, 4, 3. So I have 2 3-digit number. So from there I have to decide which is the smaller one. So from this and this, which is the smaller one? This. Yes, why? Because this is 5 and this is 8. So I write 5, 7, 1. Then I write 8, 4, 7. Okay. Now from these two, these two are 4-digit numbers. So from these two I have to decide which is the smaller number. So 9 and 8. Which is the smaller number? 8. So here I have 8, 3, 2, 0. And then the last one is 9, 7, 5, 4. Okay. So in the same way, you have to do question number 2, descending order. So I have done A, B you have to do by yourself. And question number 2, arrange the numbers in descending order. I will do the first one. 5,000, 7,500, 85400 and 7861. Okay. Descending order means from big to small. So first I will count the number of digits. 4, 4, 5 and 4. So obviously this number is going to come first. So 85400. Okay. Now the remaining ones are 4 digits. So from that I have to decide which is the greatest one. Why the greatest one? Because we are arranging the numbers in descending order, right? So okay. So now I decide. So 5, 7 and 7. So this is smaller, but I don't want the smaller one. I want the greater one. So 7500 and 78. So here 7 and 7 both are same. So I go ahead with the second. So here is 5 and here is 8. So this is the greater one. So I write 7, 8, 6, 1. Then I write 7, 500 and then last I write 5,000. So this I have arranged in descending order. Understood, children? Fine? Okay. Now in question number 2, just cancel the last one, that take 10 such examples of ascending and descending order. It is okay. For you it is most important how you have to arrange in ascending and descending order. That is, you just have to remember the basic, that whenever you have to make an arrangement, the first step is count the number of digits. If all the digits are same, then you have to start comparing each digit of the respective numbers and then decide which is the smallest, and then you have to go ahead in finding out whether small to big or big to small. Okay, so we stop here. Please complete whatever I have given you as homework and just revise. Tomorrow we will start the next topic. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.